Let's start with the very first line. This line will import the necessary library of Adafruit Motor Shield library in your code. In the next 4 line, here I have defined the each channel which is connected to particular motor, as motor 1 is connected to port number 1. So inside bracket I have defined the port number or channel number through which this motor 1 is connected. So it's connected to port number 1. So this is motor 1 and port number 1. Similarly, motor 2 with channel 2 and motor 3 and motor 4. Inside the void setup function, here I have initialized the communication to serial monitor serial.begin with baud rate 9600. Motor 1.set speed. The set speed function will set its maximum speed, which is 255. So here this set speed function is used to set the maximum speed for each motor. Inside the void loop function, here I have used the if statement with condition. If there is any kind of data that available, so the serial read function will read the data and it will store the data into the variable that is of character type named as bt. In the next line, serial.println will print the value that is stored in bt variable. And to move motor forward, if the send data or character is f, means if it is equals to the value of bt, then the robot car will move in forward direction. Similarly, if the character b is sent, then I have called here the function backward function, which is written over here. You can see here. So this will move your car in backward direction. Similarly for left and right, and to stop the car. So basically these are the functions which is written here. The forward, backward, left, right, stop, these are the function, and these function are written here. Inside this function you can see the run command is used to rotate the motor wheels. So basically to move motor forward, we need to identify the configuration of motor shield. So run function will rotate the wheel motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3, and similarly for motor 4. Basically if we need to rotate the wheels in forward direction, so here motor 1 dot run backward, this will not rotate the wheel in backward direction. It's this code is because of the motor shield configuration, and the actual function depends on the motor wiring. That's why this particular code will move your car in forward direction. Similarly, you need to identify the motor wirings and the motor shield configuration through which port you have connected the particular motor. So in this way this code will work. And finally, to stop your robot car, you need to use this release function. The release function will withdraw the power supply from robot car, and finally your car will be stopped. So this was the simple code for our project.